Hi everyone! In today's class, we have another Quickie Yoga Flow series. And I'm going to show you 3 restorative poses that you can use, that you can do if you are looking for something maybe like less intense of a practice, or if you're just looking to help calm you down and help de-stress from your day. Enjoy! So we are going to start seated on our mat. Okay, you'll grab your bolster and 2 pillows. Okay, so your bolster and 2 blocks. Okay, so you might need another bolster or more pillows if you like. So we're going to set up this way. We'll set up the block the tallest height. Okay, and then the other block closer to you at this height. Okay. Then we are going to bring the bolster on top of it. Okay, just make sure that you are going to press down gently, okay, to make sure that it is secure. And then just bring a blanket nearby, okay, in case you would need it for when we fold forward. Okay. And then from here, we're going to bring our legs wide apart. So you come into this wide-legged position, okay, making sure that your props are close to you. Okay. And then once you're there, okay, go ahead, you can wiggle the hips side to side, and then we'll just start to fold forward. Okay, so as you fold forward, if you find that this is too low for you, you can grab your second bolster or second pillow, okay, and then you can prop yourself a bit higher. Okay. Now from here, okay, you can rest one ear on your bolster or pillow. Okay. You can let your hands just drape over. You can maybe hug underneath. Okay, so whatever's comfortable for you. And then getting into that space, maybe you'll close your eyes. Okay. And we'll feel the sensations maybe across the inner thighs, across the groin. Okay. Just observing how that feels. And then you can stay here for maybe 6 to 8 or maybe even 10 cycles of breath, and then just making sure that you tilt your head to the other direction, okay, just to balance the neck. And then know that you can always make small adjustments. Okay, so it's not necessary for you to just hold the shape, okay, and be uncomfortable, making sure that you feel comfortable, especially if it's a long hold. Okay. Then you can close your eyes if you like. Okay, maybe the feet will start to relax. And then from here, okay, we'll slowly come up. So for the next setup, we are going to use your 2 bolsters or pillows. Okay, so go ahead, take that out. Okay, we'll set the blocks off to the side. Okay. So you'll grab your 2 bolsters or pillows. Okay. So the bottom bolster, okay, you'll bring it perpendicular to your mat. Okay. And you'll get the second bolster and you'll place it on top. Okay, from here, okay, you'll flip and then we are going to sit on top of the bolsters. And then we are going to lie down onto your mat. Now take your time as you lie down. Okay, so we want our shoulders to droop down towards the mat. Okay, and then just letting the hips settle down on the bolster. And then you can keep your knees bent, or you can start to straighten out the legs. And then giving yourself a moment here. See how your back feels. You can always adjust the hips. Okay, so lengthen the butt forward. And then for the arms, maybe off to the side, okay, maybe out to a T, or maybe even over the head if that feels comfortable for you. And then you'll go ahead and close your eyes. And then just finding that space again where you can relax as you let the hips gently open up, or the front of the hips rather gently open up. And then if at any point you need to adjust, you need to tweak, by all means, go ahead. Maybe you'll adjust the arms, okay? Maybe you'll shimmy a bit, okay? And then after that adjustment, coming back to that space where you can be still again. Okay, as you inhale and exhale. Breathing in and out. Then you can stay here for as long as you like. And then to come out of it, okay, making sure you open your eyes first. Okay. You'll start to bend the knees. Okay, give yourself a moment here. Let your feet press down on the mat. And then from here, you can roll over to any side. You will roll over. And then you can press up. Taking your time, okay, unrushed as you come out of your props. For the next setup, this is what we're going to do. Okay? So move your bolsters first off to the side. Okay? And then we are going to place one bolster back. Okay? And then making sure your 2 blocks are nearby. Okay? And then what I also like to do for my head is to place a blanket on top. Okay? And then from here, we are going to flip. Okay? Now you'll be in front of your bolster. Okay? And then when you're ready, okay, again, blocks are nearby, we'll lie down on the bolster. Okay? And then the blanket is for the head. Okay? You may opt not to use a blanket if you already feel comfortable on your bolster. And then from here, we're going to bring the soles of the feet together. Now, maybe for some, okay, you might feel comfortable without support. Okay? For me, I prefer to have support underneath my knees or thighs. You can always adjust the blocks. And then if you feel at any point your hips are starting to open up, you can even take out the blocks. Okay? And then as we come to this space, can you again relax the shoulders down? Okay? Hands, maybe palms might be facing up. Okay? Maybe you'll close your eyes. And you can adjust the arms, maybe bring them out to a T, maybe even over the head if you like, okay, if that's comfortable for you. And then you can stay here for as long as you like. Okay? And at any point, if you need to adjust, by all means adjust. Okay, if you've changed the position of the arms, sorry, you can maybe shimmy the shoulders. Okay? And then coming to that space again, where you can be quiet, where you can find that sensation of letting go. And then know that you're fully supported by your props. As you breathe in and out. And again, you can stay here for as long as you like. And then to come out of it, okay, we'll gently blink our eyes open. And then always unrushed. When you're coming out of a restorative position. Okay, maybe you'll wiggle the fingers, the toes. Then you'll start to bring the knees together. Okay, and then just move the block to the side. Then you'll roll over to one side. And then you'll gently press yourself up to seated. And then just breathing in and out. Namaste. So I hope you feel very, very relaxed after those 3 poses. I know I do and would like to stay in them longer. And I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.